1. Quick Open, Ctrl+P, quickly open files by name, saving time and effort. 2. Go to symbol, Ctrl+Shift+O, efficiently navigate to specific symbols within the current file. 3. Search in files, Ctrl+Shift+F, easily find text across the entire project, saving time in locating specific content. 4. Multiple cursors, edit multiple lines or sections of code simultaneously, enhancing productivity and efficiency. 5. Code folding, simplify code by hiding irrelevant sections, improving readability and focus. 6. Zen mode, F11, minimize distractions by hiding menus and toolbars, creating a more immersive coding environment. 7. Launch, F5, effortlessly start the debugger to step through code, identify issues, and debug effectively. 8. Step over, F10, conveniently skip function calls while debugging, preserving focus on the main code flow. 9. Step into, F11, seamlessly debug function calls by stepping into their code, allowing for in-depth analysis. 10. Live preview, real-time preview of HTML and CSS changes in the browser, enabling immediate feedback and visual inspection. 11. Bracket Pair Colorizer 2, enhance code readability by adding color to matching brackets, improving code comprehension. 12. Indenticator, visualize indentation levels, making it easier to identify indentation errors and maintain consistent code formatting. 13. ES7 React, Redux, GraphQL, React Native Snippets, access snippets for popular JavaScript libraries, increasing coding efficiency and consistency. 14. Emmet abbreviations, utilize Emmet abbreviations to expand code snippets quickly and efficiently, saving time and reducing repetitive typing. 15. Terminal, access the integrated terminal directly within VS Code, enabling convenient command line operations without switching applications.